Sir, I'm a bit nervous about being here today. Still not real sure what I'm going to say. So bear with me please if I take up too much of your time. See in this box is a ring for your oldest. She's my everything, and all that I know is it would be such a relief if I knew that we were on the same side. 'Cause very soon I'm hoping that I can marry your daughter and make her my wife. I want her to be the only girl that I love for the rest of my life, and give her the best of me till the day that I die. Yeah, I'm gonna marry a princess and make her my queen. She'll be the most beautiful bride that I've ever seen.
Pirang nga mungkin tembang manis pun niki sani ketulis wantah buat beli.
Ada paksaan kalau ini buat menanggung orang buat pengkeran-keranan pengpandangan kan butuh senang itu masih ada sih tadi cara urutase nu bagang tadi jauh tidak bisa kena besuk dari kada semua kita masih nggak kita dan
awet-awet beriki saken nenek moyang yang iki boyo jadi tiang adol niki wagin tiang sapo sira jadi kau ngambil anak alit putih ngambil anak istri putih keni beras kapikul diperluangkan dados ngambil jinah dados
nanti secara sah tanggal 14 dan Juni 2020
Putu Indah Cahyanti secara sah puniki dagi unggah bidang ring legite kedingasan nikel ring gagat galantang
itu membawa nama baik mulung nanti anak ibu bani dari nak keluar jamin
Tema tunangan tumben jani kecundok anak wanita.